Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on CTSC 110-foot Zipline kit with stainless steel spring brake and seat. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Here's an amazing way to become your neighborhood's coolest parent. Don't you want to spend quality time with your kids? Are you looking for safe and fun ways to encourage outdoor activities for your children? You can finally turn your backyard into a magical amusement park effortlessly. Presenting the CTSC Ultimate Children's Zipline Kit, the safest and most durable outdoor entertainment set available on Amazon. Now you can become your child's superhero by giving them this mind-blowing backyard zipline swing set. Designed with safety and comfort in mind, our premium Zipline Starters Kit will allow your kids to spend endless hours of gliding fun in the comfort of your backyard. When it comes to your children, safety is our top priority. Our Ultimate Zipline cable set has been tested to meet strict CE and RoHS quality and safety certifications, so you can rest assured that your children will be 100% protected. In addition, we have utilized sturdy accessories, such as galvanized steel cables, durable plastic parts and non-slip grip handles to ensure maximum comfort and safety. Save time and effort with our comprehensive installation guide. Even if you are not a handy person, you can effortlessly install this high-quality zipline bundle due to the simple and efficient installation guide. Plus, just to make your life easier, we have pre-assembled the trolley. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.